brilliance, eloquent strategy, or a mind-blowing string of obscenities that would make Miley Cyrus proud, the rest of it sounds a little something like this. It's time for All Chat.
You know, that's the theme of the last Pink Floyd album, The Division Bell, that communication solves everything.
I'm coming over.
Okay, I'm on Lulu.
I'm gonna ult them. Shyvana. No flash. Go. Yasu! Okay, back forward. Yasu! Full light. Yes! Keep going, I'm TP.
Yeah, we get them all. I got a server.
Great job. Listen. Get it.
Good job. You say it?
Clear call.
Clear calls.
Clear
good
calls.
plans.
Good plans.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we won.
All right, we're good.
We won,
man. We won.
Back up. There's my turn.
Oh my god, we're so good at this game.
Come here.
I'm coming for smite. Kevin, 6-0. Stop the fuck.
Nice!
Would you believe that? I said I was coming for smite, dude. Fuck.
I don't give a fuck.
Holy shit. Oh my. So bad. You saw the ult like 15 years before.
Don't kill him, man. My points. Don't. My points.
Fantasy points, dude.
Don't. I can't catch him. Don't.
Fantasy points.
Yes.
No. There we go.
Give the penta.
Give me
Your fantasy stats.
Wait, get it.
Yes!
That dude is a beast on Thresh. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. But now I need something that seems to stay.